Hi everyone, I'm inviting you to join me on a 16-day cruise to Hawaii in September of next year, 2024. We're going to leave from San Francisco, sail over to the Hawaiian Islands, and then we'll sail back. And we will learn to play the ukulele and have over 20 hours of undivided instruction. You'll have a chance to meet a whole bunch of other people and you'll get my undivided attention. I've even developed a new course just for this cruise. It will include some songs from our books, but in addition, I'll have Hawaiian and popular songs that will be there to sing and strum. Some people will be more advanced than others, but I'm used to dealing with people of many different levels at the same time. I taught middle school orchestra for 17 years, and so I'm quite used to that. For more advanced players, there'll be more complicated things to do, and for beginners, more singing and strumming. All of this is at no charge for the instruction. And here's what some people have had to say about my teaching style. Jenny's teaching is fun because you get to learn a lot more chords, you get a chord glossary, and you get to even start to learn finger picking. And I make a great job of making the learning fun and the chunks of information realistic. It's perfect for giving the learner success, to keep going strong and to feel encouraged. And here's somebody who said, I'm just a kid at 79, trying to learn to play ukulele by teaching myself. Jenny's teaching and figures are very helpful. And he thanks me for including tab with each song, and he only wishes he could loosen up his fingers to have more magic with it. And he thanks me for giving him all the various rhythms, but it's challenging but fun. We'll have a combination of written material and sing and strum material. And as I said before, I am used to teaching people at different levels, so we'll include instrumental sections as well as the singing and the strumming, so that everybody can feel comfortable while they're learning. To make the cruise more affordable, we are partnering with Princess Cruises. And if you book by the end of October of 2023, there's the potential for a 50% discount. Depends on the room. If you're interested in going, you should contact Auntie Jean, and her information will be in the footnotes. It's also on the screen. And she will be able to talk with you about all the various options. I hope to meet all of you and to have fun. And I'm so excited about this cruise, and I hope you enjoy yourselves. Thanks so much.